In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay video in card. By the end, you'll have a video that starts playing the moment your page loads, creating an immediate, engaging first impression without any extra clicks from your visitors. Start by opening your site in the card editor. Once you're in the builder, look toward the top of the interface for the plus icon. That button is how you add new elements to your page. Click it, and you'll see a panel of options appear. We're going to add a standard video block, which keeps everything simple and native to card. From the element list, choose Video. Card will place a video block onto your canvas and open its settings panel on the side. This is where you'll select your source and control how the video behaves. Don't worry about perfect placement just yet. The key is to get the video in and configured, then you can refine layout later. Next, click Upload. Your file picker will open so you can choose the video from your computer. Select the file you want and click Open to begin the upload. For smoother playback, use a compressed MP4 and keep the file size reasonable. Shorter clips tend to feel snappier and look great as a hero background or a prominent section visual. Now, scroll down within the video settings until you reach the options area. Find the autoplay option and make sure it's enabled. This tells Card to start the video automatically as soon as the page loads. Keep in mind that some browsers may restrict autoplay when audio is present, so behavior can vary slightly between devices. When you're happy with the setting, click Done to apply your changes and close the panel. You should now see your video begin playing automatically in the editor preview, and it will do the same for visitors when your page loads. That's all it takes: quick, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly autoplaying video in Card.